Good day to you. Say something about yourself, please.
Good day to you, sir. I'm Aileen Cabarles, 34 years old, married with 3 kids, ages 12 years old, 10, and 4 years old. I'm weighing 49 kilos and stand with 5 feet and 2 inches. I'm Roman Catholic.
Have you attended any special course or training?
No, sir.
Do you have any working experience?
Yes, sir. As a secretary here in the Philippines with 3 years and 6 months as an operator.
What were you just there?
My duties there is filing the documents, encoding, cleaning the office, like mopping, sweeping.
How about that dusting?
Yes, sir.
What is your expertise or specialization?
My expertise is I love cooking, cleaning, ironing, and marketing.
Can you sing Nursery Rhyme for the children?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, please.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Okay, from what age of children would you like to take care?
From newborn to grow up.
Can you cook Malaysian dishes?
Yes, sir.
Like what?
Pasta, boiling soup, steamed fish, chicken curry.
And are you willing to learn more in your training?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to look after an elderly or bedridden person?
Yes, sir.
Eileen, would you like to say something to your prospective employer?
Sir, ma'am, if you choose me as your maid, I'll promise to be hardworking and honest person.
Do you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to love your children as your own?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Eileen.
Thank you, sir.